Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make lions and tigers and bears, oh my, trail mix. We're studying the Wizard of Oz for the month of June, and it is our graduation. So this is gonna be a trail mix. We're gonna put a nice little baggie with some ribbons on it and add it to our graduation lunch. So we wanna tailor it for the event that we're doing. So why not make it with animal crackers? We've got the lions and our Teddy Graham, our bears. Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. And the rest is all chosen by my sous chef extraordinaire, Alejandro. This is his favorite cereal, and he wanted cranberries and apricots, white chocolate chips. So whenever you're making a trail mix, you can tailor it to whomever you're making it for or whatever event. This is great for a party favor. So if you have a kid's birthday party, why not tailor your trail mix to the party that you're doing? So let's say your color scheme is green, then use only green M&Ms in it. Or if you want to do more healthy things, get rid of the sugared cereals and use regular rice Chex and corn Chex. I also like to make things easy, so it's equal parts of every single thing we're gonna put in there, a half a cup of each, and we're gonna just mix it in a large bowl. Let me get everything measured and I'll show you how it looks. So I have my mise en place ready. We want all of the pieces to be around, bite-sized pieces around the same, so when you put your hand in, you grab a full handful of everything. Our apricots, see how they're a bit bigger than most things? They're much larger than the stuff that we're gonna, so I just wanna cut these in half. And so now when I put them in, they'll be more around the same size as everything else that's in there. Now I just put it all together in one big bowl. So this is a fun thing you could do with the kids. They would love to do this. My high schoolers love to make these different trail mixes and put in whatever they like. So it's definitely something that's fun to do, fun to eat. You can tailor it any way you like. And the end result, relatively inexpensive. And this is a better option for your party goodie bags than some bunch of little pieces of plastic toys that get played with only once. So, and of course, M&Ms. You gotta have the M&Ms. Because I'm doing this for graduation, I need to find the yield. So this is my base recipe, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna weigh it on the scale and put it in my cellophane bag. Now these came from Oriental Trading. You get them on Amazon or in a party store, and I'm gonna fill it up and see how much I like it to be. So whenever you put the packaging on the scale, remember press tare to put it back at 0, and then I'll know how many I can get out of this recipe. So this is 1 cup of our trail mix, and it weighs 4.20 ounces. And that doesn't look like enough, so I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more. Let's make this a 5-ounce bag and see how it looks. Great, so that's much better. That looks more substantial. And then I'm gonna find out how many this yields. So that yielded 3 5-ounce bags and almost 3 ounces left over. So now this is important because let's say we are having a party and you wanna do 30 bags. So you would simply multiply this recipe times 10, and then you would get your 30 bags. So you need to use a little bit of math. The other thing is our school colors are blue and gold, so we've got the curling ribbon in that coloring. So if you're having a birthday party, let's say the theme is, or the color scheme is pink, use pink ribbon. These are good for up to 2 weeks in these bags. Make sure you tie it really tight so they're airtight. So it's important because if you're doing a birthday party and you want to get this done a week or 2 ahead of time, they'll be perfectly fine. Have it pre-done and it's ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how to make our lions and tigers and bears oh my trail mix using lots of fun ingredients that kids love, and I hope you are inspired to make it at home. Take care, everybody. Bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.